The bee saga of 2011 begins. Bryan is checking his lone hive with some smoke and seeing what the honey harvest is going to be this year. Are you going to put those back in there and let them deal with that?
No. They're done with it for the year. I need to make them fill up what they got down below so they can survive the winter. And they'll do it too with this goldenrod.
Alright, we got Bryan capping and Obi spinning. Oh yeah. Did you do this before you moved out here?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Used to go Granny T's basement. Oh, that's nicer.
Where'd you keep the bees out there?
Most of them were at Mom and Dad's house.
How many hives?
Oh, I think most I ever got up to was like 18 hives.
18 hives.
Yeah. Yep.
Did you have to get rid of them or did they just go away?
No, we had that. That's about the time when the mite problem showed up. American foul brood, and nobody knew what was going on, couldn't figure it out. Yeah, that's a pretty bad deal. Wiped you out overnight.
Yeah. So one hive is just almost pathetic.
Yeah. A lot of work for what little you're going to get. Yeah, it's just easy to do 5 or 6 as it is for one. Spend most of the day doing it, but
Payoff is better.
oh, absolutely. All right. Okie dokie.
All right.
That's what the light is right there.
Show you the camera if you don't mind. Yeah, I'm supposed to turn these around, aren't I?
Yeah. There you go.
There we go.
All right.
not going to be hard unless the fence is changed.
He's got 5 pounds.
5 pounds. What did they used to weigh?
Yeah, that's a good one though. I mean, look how full it is.
Yeah.
Oh, what they weigh? A little more than that probably. Come to the gate. Yeah, we start stringing it, looks like. All right, that's it. Get back.
Why don't you just wait till the end?
Well, you can't do that. Once you get air, see, you don't want to whip air in it.
Yeah.
Then when you fill your bottles up, it won't do right. But now that'll roll.
Oh, yeah. Got a screwdriver in here.
Yeah. Loose there? Oh, yeah. Oh, man, I didn't know that. Really small. That's better. Okay. Like red clover. Let's shut her down for a minute. Take 5, smoke and make the guide.
Okay.
Let that run down a little bit. Because I don't know where there's another strainer. Yeah. Melt it down somehow. You got molds if you can buy it, or you can make your own molds. A lot of them are made out of wood. You stick your piece of string in there.
I've seen people who just wrap the beeswax.
Yeah, they do that too.
What you got?
Honeybees, wasps, ladybugs.
Praying mantises, walking sticks.
Name it, we got it. Must be a pretty healthy valley.
Yep.
Good environment. Not much in these, but what's in it's quality. It's quite obvious.
Well, I always say quantity or quality over quantity.
I mean, it's real light color, so it's a lighter flower they got into. Probably those white ones that we had come up.
Okay.
I don't know what them things are.
They say the same thing about olive oil. The lighter it is, no, I think it's the opposite.
Yeah, I don't know. I kind of thought it that way too. She drowned.
Oh,
Poor girl.
dying and doing what she loves.
Yes, exactly right.
Okay, so those are baked beans.
Yeah, beanie weenies.
What about the onions you put on there? Was that onions
No.
and cucumbers, or what was that from?
No, that's called copper penny salad. They're carrots cut up. Never had that?
Nope, never heard of it.
Mother made that. That's one of the things she made. I had to laugh about that because I hadn't seen her make that in years. She said she'd gone back to her old recipes.
Walk down memory lane.
Yeah, I guess. She said, yeah, I hadn't made that in a long time. Okay.
We'll have to ask her if there's anything she wants to share. We can make some more recipes. This is what Granny P used to make.
All right. And got hung up one thing that she made till she wore you out on it, don't she? Get good at it. She perfect it.
And then you didn't want it anymore.
About right.
I'll get that done.
Okay, that's good. Liquid nitro.
Si, senor.
Oh, very good. Now, this is interesting. Look at this little dab.
You help.
Look how white it is, though. Man, that was quality there. And that was later in the year, so that was kind of weird.
Why they just stopped?
What was ever blooming or something, you know? Kind of makes you wonder.
White clover?
I could have come back on again, you know.
Well, it did kind of a little bit after it was mowed.
It got kind of hot this summer quick, so it could probably knock it out quick. They know what's coming.
It's funny how honey is such a bee magnet.
Yeah. Now they tell you not to do what I'm doing, but my feelings is this: they clean it. I only have one hive, so what does it matter? And they clean it up, and it's not so nasty. Then you don't have other critters that are wanting to get into it, other kind of bugs. When you put it away for the winter.
Yeah, it's not like they're going to catch something they may not already have.
Yeah, that's true too. Of course, they say they think they encourage robbing, but it's like, well, there ain't no bees around. Who's going to be robbing who? You know.
Mm-hmm.
I'd say that hive out there's a pretty strong hive, or they couldn't do what they did and they were done.
Yep.
me Gomez.
Yeah.
I always thought anyway.
It does have a different flavor to it.
Oh, it's delicious. That it is. Cool. Just think if you had about, me, Granny, and Paul one year, we had so much that we worked on honey for like 3 or 4 days in a row before we ever got it done. I mean, from about 2 o'clock until 6 or 8 at night.
That's a lot of honey.
But we had a lot of honey.
Board. Not a whole lot in there this time.
No.
Well, you may have to take a little bit out of that one.
That ought to be some good comb if you want what's in it. better at it.
Well, is that a compliment
Well, sure.
or an insult to my previous work?
Oh, no.
Alright. Now it's a waiting game? Now it's a waiting game?
Pretty well. Take that a while.
Woo! It's a good thing it's not open yet, huh?
That tote was the best thing I ever bought for this operation.
Good.